Sorry. Okay.
Try that.
That way?
Okay. No. Yes. Yep. We're good.
Okay.
Nope. A little more. They can see where there's no teacher in here.
No. No one in here except for us.
Bad idea for Mr. Hollingsworth to leave us alone in the classroom. He thought he could trust us.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ready?
Okay. Me and Janae!
Oh, wait. There's a glare. Come
Yeah.
on. Wait.
Me and Janae!
Okay, we did the last video. If you know, like me spazzing out.
Yeah.
And we're supposed to come in here to do a project. Yeah. We haven't started on it. And it's due Monday. Today's Thursday. Oh well. Peace out.
Peace out.
1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.